Hi everyone, Nadine Wilkins here, and I am so excited to jump on this live, and I have a very special message for everyone. Listen, I've had so many conversations with so many people who are literally sitting still and they're waiting. And I'm here to share a message with everyone to let you know, don't get stuck where you are. It's time to take action. And this is why. And some of these conversations I've had, people are worried about unemployment checks, whether or not they'll get it. They can't reach anyone. And there's also conversation about the stimulus check. For some of you have already received this. Some of you are waiting to receive it. But I want to have a conversation with everyone. And I want to let you know that where you are right now is what we naturally do as human beings. What we naturally do, our natural tendency is to literally sit still. I'll give you an example. Let's say you're driving down a freeway and there's something in the middle of the road. What are you going to do? You're going to slam on your brakes and just sit there, right? Like you're going to stop. You come to a complete stop. That is what we naturally do. But my message to everyone today is you want to fight against that natural tendency, because right now with everything that's happening in the world with COVID-19, now is not the time to sit and wait for the government or for your boss to tell you what to do. And I'm telling you this from a place of complete authenticity and complete integrity, because if you wait during this time and you stay frozen where you are, you're not going to be able to position yourself to move you and your family forward, no matter where you are right now, no matter what's going on. So the first thing I want everyone to know is this. In order for things to move forward, one, you really have to get to the point where you're willing to accept reality for what it is. And I believe the reality is this. The fact is some jobs will not be coming back. And for some industries, it may be several months before they come back. And sometimes it's really hard to accept the real facts and the truth about what's happening. But I think the faster you're able to do that, the faster you're able to put a plan in place and actually execute to move yourself forward. Right now, the whole big talk is the stimulus check. And, for the average American who filed taxes, you're getting about $1,200. And you and I both know $1,200 does not last that long. Now, I am not a financial advisor. I don't do any of that stuff, but I'm a very logical person. And I tend to believe that A plus B equals C. And if your expenses and your family expenses are more than $1,200, then you know that $1,200 will come and go. Now, I do want everyone to know the money that the government is sending in the form of the stimulus check, that is financial relief. That was not designed to be a long-term solution. Unemployment, that's temporary. That is also relief for a short-term situation. So if you do not already have a plan in place and you do not already have a solution, I'm here to share a plan and the perfect solution to help you through these very trying times. So what do I mean when I say I'm a logical person? One, about when it comes to finance and budgeting. And number two, I believe you do not need permission to make money. That is number one. And number two, if home is the safest place to be right now, and home is where the heart is, doesn't it make sense to own a business that is a home-based business that you can run online and make money for yourself and your family? See, the longer that you sit and you wait for the government to tell you what to do, or you wait for a boss to tell you what to do, the longer that you'll sit there waiting, and the longer you wait, the more frustrated you become, the more, you look at your situation from a standpoint of victim and devastation, rather like, okay, this is where I am today. What do I need to do to move myself forward? And like I said, I do believe I have a perfect solution for everyone. Now, it's not for everyone, right? Because not everybody's willing to do the work. And for me, first of all, I only like to work with people who have work ethic, integrity, and also they really want to create other financial options for their family. So I don't care who you are. If you are just looking to augment your income, create an additional stream of income for your family, or maybe you just want to create discretionary income just to get through these times so that if a situation ever comes up, you'll never be at the mercy of the economy. You'll never be at the mercy of the government, but you already put in place a plan for you and your family to be able to weather some of these really tough times. So what does that solution entail? One, I'm going to say this. You have to be open to thinking differently about money and also differently about businesses. And I think if this situation does not open eyes and actually show you, wow, or reveal where you're vulnerable, I really don't know what will. However, I do believe in working smarter and not harder. So what I'm committed to doing is showing everyday people just like me, just like you. I'll give you an example. Look, I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I have 3 active boys. I homeschool, but I also know there is a totally different money game out there. And you just I can't stress enough how important it is for you not to get stuck and to move into action. One thing I know is this: Newton's law of motion is an object in motion will remain in motion. And no matter where you are right now, no matter where you're stuck, where you're frozen, there is a plan that you can put into place to move yourself forward. And no matter where you are financially, I do believe that you can't put all your eggs in one basket, so it's definitely important to make multiple streams of income. So if you right now can own a business where you can work from home, you have an online business, it's completely online, and one thing I can tell you is, one, we have a world-class system where all you have to do is plug in. It's a complete no-brainer. So I just wanted to reach out to everyone to say, number one, don't stay stuck where you are. You want to move. You want to be in action. You cannot wait for the government or your boss to tell you what to do. You do not need permission to make money. DM me if you want to learn how you can start a business from home, start an online business, and put yourself in position to get a direct deposit within a week, number one. And number two, if you don't already have a plan in place, we have a world-class system. And I'm saying we because I've been so blessed to be mentored by amazing individuals. And I love to be able to share that information with everyone. But like I said, if you don't have work ethic, you don't have a desire to create financial options for yourself and your family, and you don't have integrity, then no, you would not be a great match. But for everyone that you're looking for something, you're on Google, you're looking for work from home, you're looking for opportunities, you're looking for a system that you can plug into, that when things get better, and even when even if you're in a position where you can go back to work full time, it's something that you can do around your full-time schedule, all from home. We have a solution. I have a solution. Inbox me. I love to share it with you. You do not have to go this route alone. There is a system in place. There's training. There's everything that you would need to get things up and running, to put yourself in a better financial situation, even just a week from now. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for jumping on this live. I hope I've been able to share one thing that you can take back and implement. DM me, reach out. I'm a real person, right? Reach out to me. I love to connect with you. Take care. I am praying for everyone. I know we're going to get through this season of time, and I am on sharing this because I know we are so much stronger than we think, guys. DM me. I love to connect with you. Take care, and God bless.